Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got an electric dirt bike. Crazy, I know. We're an ATV channel here mainly. It's what I've been doing a lot. So let's make some videos on it. The people want to know, and I'm gonna show you. The only issue I had with unboxing was this brake line bolt just seemed to be loose. So I just tightened that and it was good.
Right. You ready for this?
We're at 33%.
How do you make the...
So you have to have that on, so your ready button. We're gonna go on a ride. This is the Surron Ultra Bee. This is a 2024 model, black edition. Obviously it's not completely black, you got decals on there. I'm eventually going to get a wrap for it. Got a lot of plans for it. I got a lot of things to do on it. But I've been just riding it stock and just really enjoying it. It's kind of been the escape from life. Get out here, ride the trails on this bike. It's quiet, it's fun, it's fast, it's torquey. Flip it on here. I currently have 370 miles on it. Flip our red switch, ready to go. I outfitted it with a trail saw. You may have seen in a couple videos back. I'll link it up above, you can check it out. Got a trail saw, riding around on trails. It is super handy to have one of those to clear the way and make new trails. 370 miles on this bike. It has just kind of been get out there and just explore, ride around. Been working on motorcycle tips, like riding tips and stuff, and just practicing those skills over the past 6 months. So if you want to learn dirt bike skills, I could show those here on the channel. Comment below if you want to learn. Log crossing, slow riding, stuff like that. All really fun. But I've mainly just been riding around and having fun, so let's go hit some trails. It's kind of messy out, so that might play a little bit with the traction. So let's go have some fun. Also, in the past 6 months or so. Been working on these single tracks. Tight, twisty trails out here in the woods. And I just realized they're going to be crisscrossed, just absolutely laced with spider webs. I don't know how I like that. Oh, now that it's spring, I'm gonna have to clean them up. It's been a little bit since I've been out here on it. It is really wet too. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean these trails up. So much brush. Really slippery with this mud. Been getting a lot of rain this spring. So much brush in here. So yeah, I've been riding this over the winter. So far, all I've added to it is a skid plate on the motor, which, I mean, if you know anything about these bikes or seen them on the internet, there is no plate covering this little section right here in the motor. Is right above that. So got this skid plate for that, covers that section right there. I'll have a video coming out. I've gotten a side-by-side plate for it. You can check out how to install that coming soon. And yeah, that's all I've done so far is that one skid plate. I wanted a little bit smaller one. The side-by-side plate was a little more open design than I wanted, and this keeps it looking pretty much stock. Besides that plate and the saw, haven't done anything but just ride and just charge it up and ride, I get a good, I don't know, 25, 35 miles to a battery, which is well enough time to wear you out riding single track out here. If you just to charge this thing up and go riding, you would get a good solid hour, 2 hours on this bike. This 2024 model has a 74 volt, 55 amp hour battery. You can get battery upgrades for extra range. You can get controller upgrades for different power adjustment, different riding modes. Wow, this is wet. Soggy mess out here. Oh no, I'm sinking. The torque on these electric bikes is insane. It's pretty much instant power. And I know there's a whole thing on electric bikes and they don't have clutches and all that sort of thing. You really just have to learn throttle control and braking. So super fun. Made a lot of trails out here, so we've got a lot of places to ride. A lot of fun. This one is really wet right now. It's been a lot of fun. I kind of been trying to figure out what to do with the ATV stuff. I love ATV stuff, but just trying to figure out what to do for like upgrading it. So in the meantime, I've been playing around with the bike, which is super fun. This is technical. And muddy. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get that electric sickle out here too. This is just mush. I'm gonna have to get out of this low spot. Can't hardly see the trail, the grass is growing up. Oh, it's so wet. This bike also has a traction control. So, and it has different settings. You can set the traction control mode, you can set your engine braking mode, you can set your braking mode, your charging mode. It's got a bunch of stuff. I haven't even got to it all yet. I've just been enjoying riding it. But it does have a traction control, so I use that a little bit in the winter, just see how it works. But I'd normally just leave it off and just use throttle control, because I can control how I want to make that tire spin or grip or whatever just with throttle. So, but what it does is it'll kind of limit the power. It'll detect wheel spin, and then it will limit the power so you're not spinning that tire all the time, and it will just work its way through. And these trails are a mess. They were nice and cleaned up last fall. With the mud, it's a little challenging. So there you go, guys. That is the Surron Ultra Bee 2024 Black Edition model. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to thumbs up, subscribe. If you want more on the bike, more bike content, then subscribe, follow along, let me know in the comments.